Today we'll delve into the meanings, causes, and solutions for your Sony headphone blinking blue. The blue LED light on your Sony headphones blinks due to various underlying factors, distinguished by the number and rate of blinks. Let's explore. Repeated flashes approximately 5 seconds apart indicates the headphones are turned on. The blinking stops if left uninterrupted for long. Repeated gradual flashes indicates headphone software updating. The blinking rate changes upon completion. 4 blinks signifies headset initialization completion. Continuous 2 blinks at a time indicates pairing mode. Rapid blinking for about 5 seconds indicates pairing completion. Continuous single blinks approximately 5 seconds apart signals successful connection. Continuous single blinks approximately 1 second apart indicates the device is not connected, possibly after an unsuccessful pairing attempt. Quick continuous blinks for more than 5 seconds signals an incoming call. None of these blinks indicates an error, so they don't need fixing. However, initialization or resetting may be necessary if the headset malfunctions. And that's it. Thanks for watching till next time.